in 2010, the Indian government, the previous UPA government had sanctioned raising 2 mountain divisions for Arunachal Pradesh. And by the time they got fully equipped and raised and located, it was 2013. So from 2013 onwards, the 71 division based in Misamari under 4 Corps and the 56 division based in Lekhabali under 2 Div or 3 Corps came up for defense of Arunachal Pradesh. It actually added to the strength of the Indian deployment in Arunachal Pradesh. Now, India also reorbited the deployments in Arunachal Pradesh or in the northeast. Earlier, 4 Corps, which is headquartered in Tejpur, used to look after the western part of the Arunachal Pradesh state, that is the Kameng sector mostly. But sometime in the last decade, the bifurcation or reorbiting of the troop deployment happened, and 3 Corps, which is based in Dimapur in Nagaland, now started looking after the eastern Arunachal Pradesh, or what used to be called rest of Arunachal Pradesh, or RALP in the army parlance. And therefore now 3 Corps looks after eastern Arunachal Pradesh, which I visited again, those number of valleys in September 2021, spent 7-8 days going right up to Walong, Kibitu, and then going to Anini, where I interviewed the then Eastern Army Commander, Lieutenant General Manoj Pandey, who is now the Indian Army Chief in September 2021. So, the deployments have been rationalized, deployments have been increased. So, under 3 Corps, there are 2 divisions which are looking after Arunachal Pradesh, Eastern Arunachal Pradesh, 2 Div based in Dinjan, and 56 Div or division based in Lekhabali, look after Eastern Arunachal Pradesh. And in Western Arunachal Pradesh, which comes under 4 Corps, which is headquartered in Tejpur, there are 3 divisions allocated to that sector. 5 division in Tenga, 71 based in Misamari, but looking after Yangtze and the other parts near Gumla, near Tawang. And there is, of course, 21 division based in Rangia, which has a dual task of looking after Arunachal Pradesh as well as some of the deployments along the Bhutan border. So that has been rationalized. The Air Force has based Sukhoi squadrons both at Tejpur and at Chabua, and Air Force scrambles these jets when there are tensions along the McMahon line in Arunachal Pradesh.